So, a little bit on how I designed this set, because, I mean, why not? So, this is it. Yeah, it's not really stable compared to a 6 wide and an 8 wide set. So, this is sort of a pocket bike type of design. It's like a mix of Ardevitz Unlimited Softail. I think I'll put an image on the screen, and a Ducati, well, Panigale. I don't have really accent, so, and it's not much. It's not that overly complicated. Has some nice feature though. Well, you can see the exhaust with the single big wide tire and the little handlebars like on a Ducati. It doesn't have a front windshield though, and it's heavily inspired on RGB 900. So I'll also link him in the description. He makes these really cool bike, and it really like inspired me to make my own. So this is it. It's not that complicated. It looks really cool, and it's, yeah, sort of a mixed pocket bike, and yeah, pretty much that. Don't think I'll do any more bike like that, because it was actually a challenge to design, and yeah, I'm not that convinced. It's pretty good, I think, but still, it's what it is, and yeah.